Everyone, today we will be orienting the yellow corners. So let's get started. First thing that you have to know before you do anything is that the corner piece only needs to be in the right place, not the right position. For example, this yellow, green, orange corner piece is in the right place and position, and therefore we can call it oriented. But this orange, blue, yellow corner piece is also oriented, but it's not in the right position where it needs to be, which is if the yellow were on top, the blue were here, and orange were here, because we're going to do that in a later step. So now you can get started. First case is when there is one oriented corner and the rest three are unoriented. For example, this red, blue, yellow corner is oriented, but the other three aren't. So hold that corner in the bottom right position, like I'm holding now. Then perform the following algorithm. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. And we notice that these three corners haven't oriented themselves. And that is because sometimes you may have to perform the algorithm twice. So let's do it again. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. And you see that this one has stayed oriented and these three have all oriented themselves, and we just need to put these in the right position. And we will do that in the next tutorial. So that is orienting the corners with case 1. Case is when there are no oriented corners. So what you want to do is perform the algorithm once. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. Then you will see that you have at least one oriented corner. Then bring that corner to the bottom right position as you did before. Then perform the algorithm as many times as it takes for you to orient everything. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. And you see that it's still not oriented, so we're going to do it another time. U R U dash L dash U R dash U dash L. And now you see that these two are oriented and these two are also oriented. And that is how to solve the yellow corners and orient them with case 2. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time on V6 Cubing.